परमुटेशंस आज हम करेंगे। परमुटेशंस में कैसे जैसे फोग और गोफ निकालते हैं। गोफ ऑफ एफ ऑफ जी एंड जी ऑफ एफ। हेयर वी हैव गिवन टू परमुटेशन से ए और यू कैन से एफ and b say g. Now we have to prove in this case ab is equal to ba, that means f of g is equal to g of f. Generally this is not equal to f of g, not equal to g of f जनरली। ठीक है, जनरल में ये इक्वल नहीं होता हमारे पास, लेकिन क्या है कि कोई पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल के लिए बराबर हो सकता है। तो इस केस में हम देखते हैं क्या ये बराबर है। ए बी फर्स्ट वी राइट परमुटेशन ए 1 2 3 2 3 1 and b is 1 2 3 3 2 sorry 3 1 2. Now we can write here 1 2 1 2 3. So here 1 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 1, that means image of 1 is 1, then 2 goes to 1 and 1 goes to 2 and 3 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 3. So this is identity. ठीक है, again now we write a b a is equal to this 1 2 3 right here 3 1 2 and this is 1 2 3 2 3 1. Again we are taking here 1 2 3. So 1 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 1. Here 2 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 2. Similarly 3 goes to 1 and 1 goes to 3. Again we find identity. ठीक है, so clearly AB is equal to BA. So these particular example satisfy GOF of f of g is equal to g of f. Keeping in mind this is not equal generally. Now we are going for inverse of given permutation. If you want to find the inverse of a given permutation, suppose you have a permutation 1 2 3 4 and 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 2, then we can find f inverse taking reciprocal or reverse of this 1 3 4 2. This is 1 goes to 1, 3 goes to 2 and 4 goes to 3 and 2 goes to 4. This is the simplest way for finding the inverse of given composition and given permutation. So in this way we can find the inverse of any permutations and also find GOF and FOG for the given permutations. Thank you.